Very nice.
In today's video, I'm going to show you a day in the life of living in Samui. And we're going to start off today's video by grabbing a fantastic breakfast from Cobb at the Sea. They've got a few restaurants on the island here in Samui, but this one is by far the best because of the view. This is the view I was referring to. It's right on the beach, and there's a little pier there. A few boats parked up. But this is the menu, and I always go for the same thing because they do a wonderful English breakfast. It tastes just like home. But they don't just do English breakfast, they do healthy alternatives here, like your avocado salmon toast, your egg benedicts, your fruit bowls. You got some French toast here on the bottom, some fries, some salads, some little sandwiches here. Look at that, oh my goodness. We're just chilling here on the sunbeds trying to get a tan, but what's disturbing our peace right now is this fountain that's going off. You can hear it in the back, right? It's pretty loud. And when this thing isn't going off, it is dead silent. And I kind of want to like sleep on the sunbed for an hour, catch myself a little bit of a tan, because your boy is looking white as a... One of those mints. Do you remember those mints? No, the is it called the polos? The white polos? But we can't find where this bloody tap is to turn off the fountain, but we presume it's somewhere on the outside of the building because we did have... Oh, it is! Shit, bro, it's back! Well, folks, I've found myself some safety. There's like a wasp or a bee hanging around here and it just won't leave us alone. We had one last night. I think we had a hornet inside the house last night that was just going crazy over a light bulb. We do need to buy some sort of spray that kills those bloody things. But yeah, this is a pretty decent room as well to come and work in. It's got an aircon and it's got a fan as well. And it feels like you're outside. It's a nice little glass house. What we found out recently is they've got a grill here where you can actually cook some patties, which is fantastic. And we've got a hob there too. And this sort of... A grill? I think it is a grill. And then we've got a barbecue out there too. Anyway, I'm gonna step outside in this direction, go put some Crocs on and try and turn this tap off. That's today's little mission. But this is the living space here, and this is where we chill. We've got a big TV over there. We've got a nice terrace that we like to hang out on during the evening. Alright, so this is the outside of the house. I don't think that's it. That controls this little pipe here. It could be this little reservoir here. I don't think that works. I see a bunch of taps everywhere, but these all seem to be linked to the hose. Oh, it might be in here, but I think it's locked off. This is actually a third bedroom. There it is. See that? It's got its own bathroom, toilet, and sink. It's got an aircon in there. There's another bedroom. I reckon it's free. Shit. Shit, there's a spider's web. I reckon it's through there, but... Or is it here? How do we unlock this? Right, managed to open it. Oh, I reckon we're onto something here. Bloody hell, which one controls the fountain? Let me turn the lights on. Wait. Well, unfortunately, guys, that system is way too complicated for me to understand what's going on. So, looks like it's mission failed and we're just gonna have to live with a very loud fountain. What I like about this particular villa is that both the bedrooms in the main house have direct access to the pool. So both my bedroom and Justin's bedroom lead to the pool via these glass balcony doors. Look at that. Oh, nice. And then we can go back upstairs via this staircase here. Oh, that is hot! Back in the pit. Just scheduled a villa viewing for 5 p.m, which is about an hour's time. And so we're going to wrap it up here at our current villa, take a shower, go get something to eat, and then meet the agent at the villa there. Huh? I was chatting to the camera. Let's go. The villa is somewhere over there behind that hill. So this is a villa called, I think, Villa Samui. Surely it can't be. Anyway, this is the main entrance. We're going up the stairs there. You leave your shoes here. Oh wow, this is nice. It's a little dirty, but I'm liking the interior decor of this place.
That's nice. Oh shit, I almost fell in. There's a shower pool.
How deep is it, man? 1.3? Yeah, 1.3 meters deep, or? Okay. This is nice. What do you think? I mean, it's not a view over the entire island, but I like the setup, eh? Super modern, stylish. It feels very spacious. The couch is nice. It's got that sort of L shape. It's nice. The kitchen is modern. Now we'll go upstairs. This is the staircase up. Oh, nice glass railing here. The first bedroom here?
Yes, master bedroom.
So this is the master bedroom. And then look at this ensuite here. This is really nice. It's a walk-in shower with a toilet there.
It's nothing crazy.
A few faucets. It's nothing crazy, but the bed is nice. What's with the balcony? It needs a bit of a clean. Oh, but I like how it goes all the way across to the other rooms. It's a shared balcony. It's more like a terrace. This is the second bedroom here. The air cons are all from Samsung digital inverters. And this is the third bedroom here. It looks like the second bedroom and the third bedroom share one shower. Okay folks, we're now going to get something to eat from this little food market here in Samui. It's very popular, great tasting food at incredible prices. You can get like a whole pack of pao, a pad thai for anywhere between like 60 and 70 baht. Oh no way, did you hit it? Not too hard, yeah? You've got to be careful when walking around these markets, especially if you're a 6'3" guy, 6'4" maybe.
You gotta be below like 5'8".
I'm hungry. What are we getting?
Oh, dude, Our Lady is closed.
Day off today. All right, just picked up 10 pieces of sushi here for 100 baht. Look at that. Oh no, my tuna. I think I've got to sit somewhere to eat this bad boy. There we are. We'll sit here and we'll eat it quickly. I've had this sushi on previous days and oh my god, it's aroy ma. It's pretty fresh. And it's 10 baht per piece of sushi, which is pretty good, I think. Around 160 pesos, maybe about 3 USD for all the sushi. That's so good. I wonder where Justin went. All right, we've only got, I think, they might be closed because it's already 6 p.m. We gotta check.
It just closed 1 minute ago, but we're gonna do it.
We gotta check if we can get ourselves a coffee. Our last coffee of the day from Cafe Amazon. We need a sense of urgency, folks. Quickly, are they still open? 1 minute late now.
No, we have 1 hour to the close.
Oh, it closed at 7? 7. Oh, okay, that's good. Oh no.
Oh, okay.
It's okay, it's okay.
Can I get an iced black coffee?
Song.
Oh,
Song iced black coffee.
โอ้ยขอบคุณครับ
Sugar? No.
โอ้ยขอบคุณครับ
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you.
It's okay. Alright folks, we're back at the villa here in Chuang Noi, almost at the very top of the hill. And for those of you who are wondering how much that villa was earlier on in the video, the asking price was 150,000 Thai baht, but that's just way too high for the square footage and the amount of bedrooms that you get, I think. Maybe if it was a little lower, maybe somewhere in the 120,000 baht range, it would be maybe a little bit more appealing. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video, and share it with friends and family. And I'll see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and bye for now.